moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. After a 2-year hiatus, Realme has brought back its iconic GT series to India. Say hello to the Realme GT6T, a powerhouse packed with crazy performance at an unbelievable price of just $24,999. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this phone a game changer. The GT series is renowned for its performance, and this new entry doesn't disappoint. But before we get into the specs and features, let's start with the unboxing. As we lift the lid, the first thing we see is the bold statement, "Make it real." Underneath, we find the phone itself, a 120W SuperDart charger, a Type-A to Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a sleek silicone case. Here it is, the Realme GT6T, giving off those premium vibes. The variant we're looking at is the stunning fluid silver, but it also comes in a striking razor green. The first thing that grabs your attention is the phone's unique design. The polycarbonate body features a mirror-like finish that not only looks good, but feels premium in hand. The design is subjective, and while some might prefer a different look, there's no denying that this phone stands out. Now, let's talk about the display. The Realme GT6T sports a 6.78-inch 15K 10-bit AMOLED curved display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and HDR10+ support. This display is nothing short of top-notch. It offers an immersive viewing experience with its 94.2% screen-to-body ratio and minimal bezels. Even at the chin, the curved edges add to the premium feel, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus to protection, it's built to withstand everyday wear and tear. Watching content on this display is a treat. You can play videos at 60 FPS with HDR support, and the colors are vivid and lifelike. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or gaming, the display quality enhances every experience. The brightness levels peak at 6000 nits, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Realme GT6T is powered by the latest AI processor from Realme, designed to handle everything you throw at it with ease. Multitasking, gaming, or heavy-duty applications, the GT6T manages it all seamlessly. The AI capabilities not only boost performance, but also enhance battery efficiency and camera functionalities. Speaking of cameras, the Realme GT6T comes equipped with a versatile camera setup. The rear camera module features a high-resolution primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a macro lens, allowing you to capture stunning photos in any scenario. The camera software is packed with AI enhancements to ensure you get the best shots every time. Here are some sample shots taken with the Realme GT6T. As you can see, the images are sharp, with excellent color accuracy and dynamic range. The night mode also performs impressively, capturing clear and detailed photos in low-light conditions. For video enthusiasts, the GT6T supports 4K recording, ensuring your videos look as good as your photos. Battery life is another strong suit of the Realme GT6T. It packs a large battery that easily lasts through a day of heavy usage. And when you do need to charge, the 120W SuperDart charger comes into play, juicing up your phone in no time. Say goodbye to long charging times, and hello to more time enjoying your device. The Realme GT6T runs on Realme UI, offering a clean and intuitive user experience. The software is packed with features and customization options, allowing you to tailor your phone to your liking. From advanced gaming modes to AI-driven optimizations, the software enhances every aspect of your interaction with the phone. So, is the Realme GT6T worth the hype? Absolutely. At $24,999, it offers a blend of premium design, top-tier performance, and a stunning display, making it a formidable contender in its price range. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or someone who just wants a reliable and stylish phone, the Realme GT6T has got you covered. That's all for today's deep dive into the Realme GT6T. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates, and leave a comment below letting us know what you think about the GT6T. Until next time, stay tech savvy.